Hi there, and welcome to another video for algorithms and data structures. While the storm is raging on outside, I get to talk to you about the implementation of binary search in Python. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we've got here. We've got a function bin_s that takes a list and an integer. And below we have some test code. Now remember, binary search requires a sorted input list, and the idea is to see if the value v occurs in the list. So, if the list has no elements, great, that means we can never find it. Otherwise, we take the middle element out of the list. Now remember our pseudocode from the previous video. If the middle element is the thing we're looking for, we say, great, here it is, we found it. If the middle element is smaller than the thing we're looking for, then what did we need to do? We have to take a look at the second half of the list. Right? If it's smaller than the thing we're looking for, our value might still occur in the second half of the list. Or if the value is larger than the thing we're looking for, then we must have already passed it. If it's in there, it must be in the first half of the list. Now, if we run our tests again, we see that our tests succeed. 3 is in there, 7 is not, and all of the other values are in there. Another test we might want to include is, well, we should make sure that in an empty list, some value 0 cannot be found. Let's see, that is also working as intended. So that's it. Less than 2 minutes to implement binary search in Python. I recommend you also do this for yourself. You could choose to just copy blindly what I just did in the video, or try and do it on your own first, and only copy stuff if you get stuck. During one of our tutorial sessions, we will look into how to convert this binary search implementation into a much more efficient one. Because spoiler warning, this one is just a when, and therefore just as bad as just using the in operator from Python. But we'll save that for next time. I'll see you around.